In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to add radial blur effect in both Adobe After Effects and Adobe Premiere. Let's first start with Adobe After Effects. We'll be using this clip to add the effect. Adding radial blur in Adobe After Effects is very simple. First, go to Effects and Presets and search for Radial Blur. You will see here two radial blur effects. Apply just the radial blur, not the CC radial blur. By default, it gives the radial blur look, but we can tweak the settings. The amount determines the intensity of the blur. We can change the center point of the blur effect. You can change it with the numbers from here, or you can click this point and adjust the center point. Also, you can do that from this preview box. You can set the type to either spin or zoom. Here I want it to set to spin. Set the anti-aliasing to high for better quality. Random seed doesn't do much. It's supposed to randomize the noise pattern, but you can hardly notice it. After applying the blur effect, if you think it affects the face too much, then you can remove the blur effect just from the face. Duplicate the clip by pressing Ctrl Command and D. Delete the radial blur effect from this layer. With the clip selected, select the ellipse tool and draw a mask on her face. The blurriness from her face is removed, but now you can see the sharp edges here. To fix it, expand the mask properties and add feather to the mask to soften the edges. And there you go. Let's do the same thing in Adobe Premiere. In Adobe Premiere, it's quite different. I have the same clip here. If I go to Effects and search for Radial Blur, we will not find anything. By the way, this one isn't comes by default. I'll talk about that in a sec. There's a Radial Blur effect, but this one is a transition. If I apply it, you will see this is just a transition. So what to do now? There are some presets to do that. I found these free presets. I'll give the link to download it. After you download it, right-click from presets and export the preset. I already did that. Now just drag and drop it. The radial blur effect will be applied. You can find it from Effect Controls. If you want, you can tweak it, but the default works just fine. If you see a black border, then just increase the scale. So this is how you can easily add radial blur effect in both Adobe After Effects and Premiere Pro. Sorry, now it's just Premiere.